All right, so we got about 2.5 minutes till market opens. Nasdaq currently up 1%, S&P up 0.73%. We'll see what we have for today. We have to get above 14,050 on Nasdaq to kind of start looking good on the day for a rebound. Let me draw this real quick actually. All right. As always, I like to just sit around for the first 2 to 5 minutes after the market opens before I take a trade. Just kind of see what way it wants to go. Because normally in the beginning, if you try to jump in, it'll fake you out, choppiness, and just I like to wait. Big sell off there. This is what I'm saying. You get caught in this whipsaw and just don't know what direction it wants to go in. Big sell off here. Nice. Careful. Could bounce here a little bit. You see how choppy this is? It's just gonna whipsaw you around. Just gonna be patient and wait to see what it wants to do. If it starts to break above that 14,025, which is this lower right here, we could try to look to go long and try to hit that 1450. If big red candle again. This is what I was saying. I jumped in there at 86 to see if this wants to continue, or am I gonna get whipsawed out? Last time it sold off like that, look at this. It bounced all the way back up and then started getting some green candles. So let's see if it does that or if it's gonna continue with the weakness. Got it there at 65. Now I'm just gonna wait to see what it wants to do. Again, be careful. In the first few minutes, it's just been whipsawing pretty crazy, pretty big candles back and forth. So this might continue down, but again, be careful. You might get faked. Starting to bounce you a little bit. You could look to start to get short here. It's gonna break if it's looking to break below, make a new low. But it could also bounce pretty strong, so careful. Let's see if this wants to pop back up to the VWAP and the EMA at 87. And if it starts to get rejected, we can start getting short around the 80 level, 70s. In anticipation for a new low. Like right here, it's just having trouble making that new high. So that's what I'm saying. It might break down here. Gotta be careful though. Now, if you start shorting here, be careful because this thing might have one of those fucking big ass green candles like it did up here and actually pop back up here again to this level. But if it does start getting rejected here, and then we start making our way down back to the 70s, I'll go short again in the 70s and look for about 13,950 or something. Let's see if it wants to reject here. Just breaking back above. See what I'm talking about? I told you if it breaks back above VWAP, it's gonna have one of those big ass green candles again. And there it is. So much whipsaw action here. It looks like this is gonna make a run up to 1450 now. It has to start breaking above 1430 for me to get long. 1435. But not on this candle. What I would like to see is for this to kind of... Oh, it looks like it's going to make that move though. I don't want it to. I want it to come back down and kind of bounce a little bit and then start to get some steam and then push back up. Because on this candle, like, this is what I'm talking about. This is what's going to happen. This candle is way too big for me to feel comfortable and get long there. I wanted this to kind of show me that it is going to hold this level now and not do one of those big red candles again. And hold this level up here. Hold the VWAP. Hold the EMA. And then I'll be interested. Okay, this EMA here is starting to curl up pretty good. I would want it to hold at least two more candles. This one and then another one, and then on the third one start pushing back up. Let's see if it can hold the EMA though. What did I say? Look at that fucking candle, man. You bought in here in anticipation for this to make a new high. Look at that. You just got burned. That's what I'm saying. You gotta wait for the confirmation. Like these candles needed to hold up there. Now that whole theory of it making a new high, it's gone. We're just getting these whipsaws, man. And big candles too. So if you bought in right away, next thing you know, you're down 30, 40 points, you know? This is crazy. I don't even know what to do. I would have gotten short here, but then I get faked out again, so I don't want to do that. If we have a bounce back up to 85, 90 level, I'll probably go in short for a quick scalp. Let's see if this thing wants to bounce back up there. Showing weakness. I'm making a new low right now. There it goes. See if this could hold and bounce a bit. There he goes. Made a new low. Let's see what kind of bounce we get here. I'm gonna cancel that just because it's gonna have one of those big bounces again. I'm just not looking forward to that. It's looking weak right here though. Got rejected there. It's gonna make a new low. If it starts to curl up here and starts to break above uh, 380, you could look to get long for a quick scalp. Nasdaq continues to sell off. We could get a bounce here. We have some good support here on the 1 hour as well. If you guys look here, we bounced on this thing about 4 times. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 around this level, anywhere from here to about 845 or so. We have some good levels there. I will look to get long if this thing kind of starts to form some type of support here. It's kind of looking very weak, but we'll see. And if this thing starts to catch some type of support here, I would like to go long as well on Airbnb at 159. Or at 158. Let's see if this makes another run down. I'll buy some at 50. If this hits 850 on Nasdaq, I'll look to get in. Just a few more pips. A few more handles. Thinking about Forex here. I jumped in there at 52. See how low this wants to go. I'm gonna cancel that one for now. Let's see if this thing wants to kind of catch some support around here. If this thing pops a little bit more, like back to 70, I'll look to just get out. Let's see if it can. Got a little pop up there to 70. I took it there at 67. I'm good with that. There's 70 right now. 71. I wish I would have gotten filled on that on the Airbnb. I was about 20 cents off or so. I'm gonna wait to see if this thing starts to catch some support. The MACD and the RSI are looking good on Airbnb, but I'm gonna just be patient with that one and see what it wants to do. Let's see if this could start reject a little bit and come back down to 50, 60 to 60 and kind of hold the 60 area, and then I'll jump in on Airbnb at like 158. Let's see. Again, 1 hour. We have some good support here at this level, anywhere from 878 to about 840, 850. Good support. Um, I'm good. I want to get long on Airbnb to swing a bit, but let's see. Oh, I got filled there at 58.04. Damn, that shit dipped hard. Alright, let's see if this thing wants to bounce back up. 159. As well as NASDAQ. If NASDAQ starts to break above 885, we'll be looking good. Let's get a pop up there. There's NASDAQ's trying to pop. Let's see if it can. Let's see if Airbnb could do it with it too. It's getting stuck. Oh no. Damn, why does it sell off so big? NASDAQ really needs to hold this level though, for it to look good on the 1 hour. Damn, NASDAQ, I mean fucking Airbnb, fuck off. What are you doing? I jumped in there for, what the fuck, 28? That's terrible, Phil. Whatever, I jumped in with another 100. Let's see if this could bounce right here. This thing's selling off when NASDAQ is kind of holding there a little bit. Just kidding, that's not. We really need NASDAQ to hold on. I need this to get back up to 158 for this to look promising at all. Let's see if it can get back up there. Let's get a pop back up there to 158. NASDAQ selling off. That's not good. I got out. Wow, dude, that loss was... I just... this is why I don't trade stocks and I stick to futures, bro. This is why I don't trade stocks and I stick to futures. Oh my god. My losses are just... I always make good money on futures and then I give it all back with stocks. Happened yesterday too. Gave it all back with Baba. And then like I get out and then this thing wants to bounce back up. Come on. This thing wants to bounce after I get out. As soon as I get out. That's crazy. I'm for real done. It literally filled me at the bottom too. At 156.68 or some or 70 something or 60 something. That's where it filled me too. That's crazy. And that's unfortunate. I was having a good day and then I had to ruin it with Airbnb. Why did I do this? Sucks. Dude, come on! I should have just held that shit. I would have been up. I would have been up already. $200. Man, that sucks. I'm gonna stay away for now. See what it wants to do. And it just sucks that I got filled at the very bottom too. I think I'm the one that bought those last shares that were right here. That sold at 156.68. Sorry, I'm the last one that sold it there. Fuck. Look at that. Nice bounce. I was in at 157. And then I got The got faked out, man. Got faked out. Look at this big green candle. That sucks. You know, gave up more than half of my gains that I had on the day because of this trade. Fuck. Now I'm just like, want to trade more. I'm just like, nah, I gotta chill out. Yo, what the fuck? No! How did I just get filled? I did not click anything. I swear I did not click anything. I think I clicked the enter button or something and it filled me. There's no way. This shit needs to sell off right now. Big red candle because I'm done. There's no way I just got accidentally filled in. No way though. That's crazy. I got accidentally filled. I'm gonna go long there though. I won 58, 68. Nasdaq's trying to break out. Let's see if we could get a breakout to like 160 on Airbnb. That's crazy. My thing entered. I think I hit enter or something because I wasn't even close to my mouse. I think I hit enter. Okay, Nasdaq with the good bounce. Let's see if Airbnb could follow. It's stuck at 159. We need to break above 159 and start pushing higher. Stuck at 159. That bid needs to get up there. The bid needs to get above 159. Nasdaq's pushing good, but Airbnb's getting stuck. Come on, guys. You guys pump up the bid. We need to see 159 on the bid for Airbnb for this to start looking good. Nasdaq's making a good move there. It's trying to break above. Airbnb's getting stuck though. It's unfortunate. Let's go, Nasdaq. Give Airbnb some life. My ass getting stuck. It's unfortunate, man. Airbnb's that 159 is just, it's getting stuck there. It can't get the bid above. If it starts getting some bids above 159, that's just gonna easily pop up to 160. That's if though. It's having lots of trouble even staying here. We're getting 80s and 90s like, but it's just at 159 it's not printing. Here you go, Nasdaq getting a pop. Come on, Nasdaq, get a nice pop. There you go, 159 for Airbnb. Now let's get a pop. Let's get a good pop to 160 now. It's not able to hold it. There you go, Nasdaq. There you go. Putting in some orders now. See if we could get a pop on Airbnb. Airbnb is getting stuck though. It's just trash. Yo, Airbnb is trash. What do you? No way. Why are you rejecting like that? 159 is really gonna be your kryptonite, huh? Oh my god, you're kidding me. I'm gonna get out and it's just gonna pop. I already know. Watch this. I'm gonna get out. God damn it. I'm gonna get out and it's just gonna fucking pop. This is ridiculous. Can we get a fucking clear pop? That shit just got stuck there at 159. As soon as I get out here, it wants to pop big though. Look at that, $2, like $1.50 in that, and then this one right here that was a perfect setup. And it didn't want to pop, and then now I'm out. It's gonna pop. Watch. I'm gonna go short on Nasdaq on this shit. Then it just doesn't want to fucking pop. To be honest, I think I am gonna go short. Because there's no way she's gonna pop now without me. I'm gonna fucking lose it. Oh my god, it is gonna pop. I'm gonna go short that 150. Oh, what, wait, what? Why is it popping up? Nasdaq selling off. What, wait, what? Nasdaq is selling off and you wanna pop? What? Come on, let's break below 158.40. There's no way it's just gonna hold when Nasdaq wants to sell off like that. What the fuck? There you go, fuck. Let's go, let's have a big red candle like you had here when you fucked me over. Man, is it just really gonna hold here? That's crazy. That is fucking crazy. No way, that's just about to turn green on me like that. That's a joke. Ah, I'm done with fucking Airbnb, bro. There's no way that she did that to me. Alright, I'm going long. This shit does not break above 160 right now with this move. I'm for real gonna lose it. I mean, at 159.30 with 400 shares. What the fuck's wrong with me? Fucking pissed. That's what's wrong with me. Look, this thing pops and this thing wants to sell off. This thing sells off and this thing wants to fucking pop. Like, what? What? There's no way. No, there's no way. There's no way. We need a big ass pop or I'm done. Nope. No way. 600. That's crazy. All right, I'm done. I'm done.